Welcome to the world of Mindustry, where tower defense meets factory building in a blend that challenges strategic thinking. In this video, you'll learn how to survive enemy waves by creating efficient supply chains and powerful defenses. Released in 2019, Mindustry is a hybrid of tower defense, RTS, and factory game. It challenges you to defend against waves of enemies while building an efficient factory system. On survival maps in Mindustry, enemies are dispatched in waves. These units must be destroyed before they reach and destroy the active cores. The pathfinding system seeks out any weak spots. In contrast, attack maps have enemy structures and cores that must be destroyed to win. This adds another layer of complexity by requiring strategic unit deployment and base capture. The game features 2 planets, Serpolo with 16 materials and 131 buildable blocks, including 18 gun turrets and 35 manufacturable units. Each planet has its unique set of resources and gameplay mechanics. Creating elaborate supply chains is crucial for success in Mindustry. Conveyors feed ammo into turrets, produce turrets, structures, and construct units to expand production capabilities. To win, you must balance defensive strategies with efficient factory management. This unique blend of tower defense and factory building makes Mindustry a deep and rewarding game experience. So there you have it, the core mechanics of Mindustry, where survival depends on both your defensive prowess and factory. Efficiency. What strategies do you plan to use? Let me know in the comments.